I'm not sure how much longer this is going to last, but this has been keeping him occupied for quite a while. Throwing the O-ball. Going to get it. Throwing it. Going to get it. It's not going so far right now. He did just get stuck into a chair. Sometimes he tries to throw and it's like stuck in an area, but there we go. He's getting dangerously close to the dog food. Yeah. I was worried about that. Oh, no. You know, huh? You know, you better turn around and look at me. Go back to the ball. That's good. That's fun. Where'd it go? Oh, jeez. Dangerously close to the dog food. This is not good. This is not good. It's very tempting. It's very tempting. That's Gibson's. That's Gibson's. Yeah, you can play with that stuff. Where's your ball though? Remember? Gibson's. 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 Oh, you got stuck last time. You're gonna go all the way under. Yeah, it might work. This is like the greatest game. You could do it forever.